Hello students, welcome to the channel. In the previous chapter we have talked about various forms of straight line. In this chapter we are going to discuss some different curves like parabola, ellipse, hyperbola and a circle. In fact, parabola and hyperbola name are given by Apollonius. These curves are also known as conic section or simply conics because of the fact that these can be obtained by the intersection of plane and a double napped cone. These curves had very wide applications in the field of planetary motions, reflectors in the flashlights, automobile reflectors, many other areas. It has vast applications. Now let's start its detailed discussion. Now we are going to discuss about section of a cone, right? How the cone is generated, that all the things we are going to discuss. Let's suppose a fixed line L. है ना, ये black से जो line बनाया, that is I have taken a fixed line, and M is a movable line intersecting at V, and angle between these two lines are alpha. Now if I fix this line L and rotate M, I will rotate M by making alpha as constant, means alpha के एंगल को फिक्स करके रखा है. तो इस पॉइंट के अबाउट ये रोटेट कर रहा है. रोटेट कैसे कर रहा है? ये फिक्स है, राइट? अब इसको रोटेट कर रहा है तो मैं रोटेट करते जा रहा हूँ. रोटेट, this line is fixed, so we can say we will have this double generated cone will get. Now this vertex will divide the cone in two naps. One is called upper nap and the lower is called lower nap. The movable line M will generate a generator. Right? These lines are generators. Then the fixed line will be axis, right? And V is the vertex, alpha is the angle we already know. Now this double napped cone, or simply I will be naming it as cone, if I intersect plane by this cone, plane to this cone, I will get different sections, and these will be known as conic section. Now how different sections we are going to get, we will discuss. Now how the plane should be cut, the conic, so different section will be obtained, that we can understand by observing two angles. One is the angle alpha, that is fixed in a cone. Second is beta. Beta is the angle between plane and the axis of the cone. Right? Now you can see this is angle beta. This is in between the axis and the plane. Now if this beta is 90 degree, you just do an experiment by taking any shape like an ice cream, conical ice cream, or any vegetable, you can say, take carrot or any vegetable, and just perform the experiment by cutting it by a plane, by any of the plane you cut it, right? Now if you cut at parallel to the base, or can say beta is 90 degree, you will get a circle. Now if this alpha is beta is less than alpha, or beta is greater than the alpha and less than 90, मतलब ये जो बीटा की वैल्यू है अल्फा से तो ज्यादा है, but it is less than 90, मतलब थोड़ा सा हमने कम कर दिया, slightly we have reduced the angle, less than 90, but it is greater than alpha, so we'll get an elliptical shape, right? Then parabolic shape, if beta and alpha both are equal, मतलब इस टाइप से कट किया है कि जो अल्फा एंगल तो फिक्स है, then beta is equal to alpha, will get a parabola. And when alpha beta is greater than equal to 0 and less than alpha, will get hyperbola. It will intersect both the naps, upper side as well as lower side. In the previous three, it will be intersecting either side. जैसे मैंने in my diagram I have shown the upper side, but in hyperbola it will intersect upper as well as lower side. The symbol you can say by general how the shape of circle is, you already know. This is a circle. Elliptical shape, you can see the shape is like this, elliptical shape. Parabolic shape is generally like this, one of the parabolic shape I have shown, and the hyperbola, one of the hyperbola I am showing. The general I am showing you, right? Circle, ellipse, parabola, hyperbola, how these shapes are formed. This video I have created to make you more clear about how conic section can be formed, how parabola, ellipse, hyperbola can be formed by cutting a cone by a plane. Right? I hope the concept is clear. In the next videos, I will be coming with circle, parabola, ellipse and hyperbola one by one. In one video concept and then NCERT exercise. Hope all the concepts are clear to you. Thank you so much.